Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the right tutorial to get unlimited free days and roles on Monopoly Go. So, like, share, and subscribe. Now, you can show the finale result after complete the tutorial. You need just to go on your browser and write this website, www.emply.shop. After that, you need to select how much you need for dice and roles and write your username on Monopoly Go and choose your device and click proceed. After that, click generate and wait a 10-second. After that, you need to complete one simple task to generate your dice. It's very easy. You need just to complete a simple task. After you complete the last step to generate your dice and roles, you need to back to your account to show you dice and roles will be generated. And congratulations.